Hello and thanks for watching this video on some stuff that happened during some Club United races at United Karting this summer.
That's my best friend. Hi guys, this is go-karts part 3. No. No.
What the fuck are you doing?
You're not having fun?
No.
Oh yeah, I was recording. Koopy's angry. Oh. I love that guy.
I think you should have just drove there been better, Cooper.
They hugged and made up and had a fun battle during the A-main final until Nick's tires fell off. Unfortunately, Nick forgot to hit record for this until near the end of the race, but at least he remembered to record at some point. Not much else happened that race.
My second time.
Mark is slow on the back straight.
Hey, this is my intro.
Oh.
Come here.
Hey, Mark is slow on the back straight.
It's fact.
So get him coming out of the double
Except,
apex.
dude,
you can always get a run on him.
I
on Mark
paid
every
the
time.
race director with chicken nuggets and got the best car on the grid, dude.
I paid the race director with chicken nuggets and got the best car on the grid, dude.
Which car is this?
Number 8.
Hey, how's one?
Yeah.
Windows got 4.
You're in 4?
Nah, I'm in last. I got number 3.
All right, Preston. Some
Hey, it's the random wheel.
Hey, some wise words of wisdom, dude. Talk at this.
Oh yeah.
Coop.
But I think it's today we're racing go-karts. Stop touching me like that. Today we're racing go-karts. Kevin, make me the fucking thumbnail. All right? And I'm gonna give you a bunch of different zoom angles so you can make me the thumbnail.
No, you can't. Now it's gonna be smudged, dude.
I'll fix it.
Oh, you're no. All right, here we go. If you haven't caught it already, I am starting pole in the best cart called feeding nuggies to the race director. Homeboy Eddie's back. And here we are on a nice day karting. Good luck, dude. Dude, what a great day to be out here, despite the world burning down.
I know. Hey, I raced with him on the road.
It is good weather. We got the moon. Got planes flying over, sun starting to set. Even in B-Main, we are happy today, dude. Whew.
You're already ahead of me.
I'm tired, and I did stuff myself for lunch, and I have been slowly dying the whole night. So that's the one negative that we're throwing out there. Also my excuse for today's race. Whew. Good job, dude.
Could not keep up with the...
Dude, yeah, first place. Yeah, he just walked away, dude.
I saw that, I'm like, oh, maybe you can like keep the, like,
Yeah.
lock him in, and then like he got past, and I was just like,
Yeah.
oh.
That was good, that was good. Exactly as planned. Good stuff. You had way more pace, but we disappeared from everyone else, which is all that
Yeah.
matter there.
Yeah, I looked back and I was like, oh, final lap, I guess we'll
Yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead for this video. We are starring Calvin right here. His first time in the club, and he didn't die, and he's second place.
appreciate it, man.
Here, talk to the video, talk to the video.
He did?
This is Kevin's video. You watch his video. Yeah, he goes.
So YouTube.
Yeah, Kevin who? That's right, dude.
so hype about that maneuver.
I thought you had room.
What?
I thought you had room.
It was fine. But yeah, I went right into the barrier.
I know, I saw you, but I heard it, and then I looked, and I'm like, what the hell?
Yeah.
I thought you had room.
I think I hooked my front on your rear, and I went right into the wall with it.
I swore I had enough room. I'm like, oh, he's clear. Like, I'm clear.
I was just happy to stay in the back. I was with y'all the whole time.
Yeah.
For the most part.
Dude, it was good fun.
Yeah, that was a good one.
It was
I learned a
awesome.
lot.
Nice to last like 2 laps.
Y'all game.
They probably still